You might say, it's arts and crafts. Why am I doing arts and crafts? Well, because some bullets that I have, the box they came in, that's all I have left. So if I was going to say mail them to someone, I found out that putting them in little plastic bags isn't such a great idea because the plastic bags open in postage and fall out all over the place. So what I did was I took a little box of some other ammo, opened it up, got me a little piece of cardboard, my little X-Acto knife, and I have the inserts from other ammo that I saved because I wanted to do something with them instead of throwing away. And moving right along with my little art project. Getting those in there. There's my cute little box I made. Alright, look at here. Arts and crafts is over. What did I make? Well, it says box of bullets. Let's open this up here and see what's inside. Oh, there's a little box. CCI Stingers. Remington. Well, there ain't 225. But they are golden bullets. Little box of Federal. And a box of American Eagles. Each one of these cute little boxes